Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button. So yeah, let's get started. So, I'm on a train, so I had to talk kind of cool. Well, I'm going to Chicago for like an eye appointment. Like, I have to be really quiet because it's like people on the train, so yeah. Will you press the button? You'll be with a hot girl. Great. But you don't want to very much. Well, how am I ever going to be happy then? Doesn't really make sense at all. Just like, okay, this is your girlfriend. You're gonna be with her forever. And we don't care if you don't like her. You have to be with her. It's like, well, that wouldn't make me happy at all. Like, I might as well just be with like an extremely obese fat girl then, because I wouldn't really tell the difference, because like I wouldn't be really into hot girls, because this, according to what cis saying whatever, so no.
Okay. Good. Yeah.
Wait, how much pounds is that? Is that 1,000? Okay. My dad was showing me a video of like someone lifting 1,000 pounds. Huh?
Drinking stuff back up.
Wait, are we in Chicago?
Yeah, we're about where we need to be.
About leaving? Okay.
Yeah, we're doing the back up. They're gonna back us up into the station, so
Oh.
we got like 5 minutes.
Something. Okay, I gotta make my video really fast.
Oh, but
Okay, will you press the button? You're the smartest human to ever live. Know all the answers to any question, have unlimited resources, but you have no friends, no family, and you are alone. So basically, Stephen Hawking. Know all the answers, have unlimited resources, but no one likes me. No, I'm basically a Stephen. Because if I said press the button, I'd be a Stephen Hawking without no one liking me or caring about me or something. Will you press the button? You gain the ability to teleport as many times as you wish at any time, but where your teleport is random. No, because what if I get like, I don't know. Because I could be spawned anywhere. I could be spawned by a volcano. I could be spawned by someone test practicing shooting a gun or whatever or something. Or maybe someone's practicing baseball and I teleport in front of him and then he hits me in the head with a bat. It's just like, you gotta think about it. You could easily die by pressing the button, so no. Yeah. Didn't press the button. I was gonna press no anyways though. Okay, will you press the button? You can cure any illness with a touch. Okay. But each time you do it, you get deadly ill for severe weeks. No way. Oh, I was just reading this comment and it said touch myself. So you can, if you can touch people to heal them, then I could just touch myself. Tap, tap. Healed. Cured. So sure, but if I can't do that, then no. They never said. Will you press the button? There are no Star Wars terrorist attacks or any conflicts between humankind that threaten that well-being of a living creature for 30, but your sacrifice, your own life will have to make it. I don't really know. No. What? Well, I think that meant like I cure everything or whatever, something, to sacrifice myself. Well, I'm not trying to be selfish, but I wouldn't want to die, but I'm not trying to. That sounds really selfish when I didn't press the button, but I don't know. Okay, next question. Will you press the button? You can marry whoever you please, whenever you want. The person you marry will geniusly love you, but okay, no. Can you stop loading Final Fantasy? Thank you. When you press the button, you can save someone close to you from dying for anything, but you must sell everything you own and live on the streets. So basically, you sell everything and you just turn homeless. No. Oh my gosh, I feel so selfish now. It's like everyone's pressing the button or something. Will you press the button? You become Wink Pokey or whatever someone's able to do. I don't know what that is, so I can't. So one more. Will you what?
Let's go.
Hold on. You get a superpower of your choice, but the cost of using your power takes away from no, that's an inappropriate one. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and peace. Bye, guys. Thanks for your bye.